In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can disable automatic updates on your Windows permanently. So let's get started. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Now click on services under the best match. So here scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update service. Now once you find the Windows Update service, you have to make a right click, select properties. You have to, for the startup type, change this to disabled. Click on apply and click on OK. Now close this and then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type regedit. Okay, regedit. Click on it under the best match registry editor. Then let me just collapse from here. And you need to follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. Okay, so we have to locate HK local machine. HK local machine, click on that and click on the arrow to expand. Now once you find HK local machine, locate software, click on software folder, click on the arrow to expand. Now once you find software, look for policies folder. Policies, click on the arrow to expand. Then under policies, look for Microsoft, click on that and click on the arrow to expand. And here you'll find Windows. Now click on Windows and then make a right click, select new, select key, and type in here capital letter W, small INDOWS, capital letter U, small PDATE. The same thing as what you can see on the screen. It's Windows Update with no space in between, capital letter W for the beginning of Windows, and capital letter U for the beginning of update. Windows Update, and then click on the open space, and then make a right click, select new, select key. Now type AU. AU, the same thing as what you can see on the screen. Now click on AU and then make a right click, select new, select the word 32-bit value. Now for the value name, simply follow me. Type capital letter N, small o, capital letter A, small u, T, O, no O2, capital letter U, small p, D, A, T, E. No O2 update. The same thing as what you can see on the screen. Make sure to follow the same thing, no spaces in between. And then double click, change the value data to 1, click on OK, and then close this. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.